How's it going, folks? I warned you that the winter cap was coming, and here it is. It's like 45 degrees out. Trail is soaking wet. Trying to be pretty careful. I'm not feeling well. We got the deck stacked against us today, and I only got a couple more chances at this. Got to pull out this gold heist. We got, I think if we can get like 3 more grams out of there, the heist will be complete. So hopefully we can show you something special today. So stay tuned. Yeah, pretty chilly and pretty slick out here like I suspected. I didn't want to go to any of my spots from yesterday or last week because I didn't want to be reaching down in the water while the sun's not out. So all I did was just come right over to there, right down in there. This is my second pan out of there. So that's what's going on this morning. Stay tuned. That's a nice piece of gold. I got a small tree and a pan here, folks. All those roots just came up into a big messy ball. And I for one have high hopes for it. Stand by. Came up here about 20 feet onto these slabs of bedrock that are, you know, you can see the bedrocks are just all sloping down. And I decided to dig down in there about 2 feet. I should back out of here to show you better. So let me put the pan down so I can kind of point this out to you. So this is bedrock. I'm standing on bedrock. Right in between it you got like a valley with some dirt in it. So it was real sandy, which is usually not good. So I dug down about 2 feet, started finding some pebbles, and look at this frickin' pan, man. Look at the real fine gold up in the top. It almost looks like pollen. There's even a little chunky bit right there. A couple of these flakes are, I guess, a little chunky, but man, that's a big pan of gold there. I'm gonna check a couple more pans, make sure it continues to be loaded like that, and if that's the case, I'm just gonna start dumping the concentrates. All right, guys, exciting, back on it. Still getting pans like this. I mean, just a ridiculous speck count. I haven't been putting the concentrates in the can because I'm too greedy and I want the weight in my snuffer bottle for my way out. But anyways, we'll stay at this until something more exciting happens. Man, I haven't seen a pan like this or a piece like this in quite some time. Boom. Couple nice pieces. Star of the show today right there. It's supposed to be my last pan of the day too. I have a best pan ever alert, and it ain't even close, man. Look at that. That is an insane single pan of gold. That is outrageous. And just like that, here we are. We're back at the gold wagon. Or should I start calling this thing Fort Box? Anywho, you're going to have to take my word for it because my camera died out there, but I just continued to just slay it pan after pan. I got the gold all cleaned out for you because I'm a stand-up guy like that. I know you don't want to watch that boring process. And I know we got over a gram. It's just a matter of how much. So without further ado, let's just get it checked out. As I like to say, we got the gold laid out. Now let's get it weighed out. Figure what it paid out. Ooh, couple chunkers. Sneaking up on a gram here. Boom. Gram and a half, maybe? No, 1.366. And that's roughly about $125. Again, it's not going to break the bank, but it'll definitely help out with my crack habit. That's for sure. So that's how you do that in about 6 hours, South Yuba River. We're going to continue to chase adventures out here. I'm going to continue to take you with me. And as always, if you got a pan out there and it just so happens to have some dirt in it, I hope for that pan to be heavy.